A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a shocking revelation, a public inquiry has concluded that former British Prime Minister Boris Johnson's handling of the COVID-19 pandemic was marked by chaos and indecision, leading to approximately 23,000 preventable deaths. The inquiry, chaired by Baroness Heather Hallett, released its findings on Thursday, detailing how a delay in implementing lockdown measures significantly exacerbated the crisis. The report highlights that the UK recorded over 230,000 deaths from COVID-19, with a critical finding that more than 20,000 lives could have been saved if restrictions had been put in place just a week earlier. Baroness Hallett described the government's response as too little, too late, emphasizing that all four UK governments failed to grasp the severity of the situation in early 2020. The inquiry paints a picture of a toxic and chaotic culture within Downing Street, where key decisions were influenced by excessive optimism and a lack of urgency. The report also criticizes Johnson's chief advisor, Dominic Cummings, for fostering a destabilizing environment that hindered effective pandemic management. Cummings has since dismissed the inquiry as a cover-up, alleging that it has rewritten history and failed to gather crucial testimonies. The inquiry further found that the Scottish government lacked a coherent strategy during the initial stages of the pandemic, relying too heavily on directives from Westminster. In Wales, delayed restrictions exacerbated the death toll, with the inquiry noting that the Welsh government implemented necessary measures too late, despite being aware of the risks. Families affected by COVID-19 have expressed their heartbreak over the inquiry's findings, emphasizing the need for systemic changes to prevent future tragedies. They argue that the report underscores the importance of timely action and accountability in government decision-making. As the nation reflects on the lessons learned from this dark chapter, the inquiry's recommendations call for immediate implementation of safeguards to ensure that the public is better protected in any future health crises. The findings have reignited discussions about the leadership during the pandemic and the critical importance of heeding scientific advice and prioritizing public safety over political considerations. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.